I'm Tolga, and today we're gonna make some Earsavers or Earbuddies. Okay, let's get started. Here filled in the color gray. I'm gonna cut them up in just like this. You can do it in all sizes what you want. I want to cut in one size. Not filled. Okay. Got one stroke out of it. What I have is I have here satin just like this, in different colors also, and different patterns on it. I can choose this one because I love that pattern. And this is also with glue on it. What can I do is stick on it, cut it out, and do the same on downstairs. Then I'm gonna stick it up with a sewing machine to make it hold on it and it will go off. Okay, I did it just like this. I'm gonna sew it up on the line because I want to stick that up, and later I have here, what you hear in the background is my cat. He wants attention from me. What I do is put this one here and put that one there. I'm gonna stick it up with my hand later. Okay, let's do first with the sewing machine. I did stick that up, both sides. You can see under it's on now. I have here little nuts. Gonna do it with a hand, pull them together on both sides. You can see for later what it's gonna do and what's gonna help for it. Okay, I have here green because what I have is green in color. And I have scissors. I did it with the hand. This is the first one. I'm going to do the same on the other side. This is the finished product. You can see this is how it's done. It's easy. You can make your own style, and it is felt. It's washable. You can wash it if it is dirty or else. It's gonna let you see what I have done, and or we can use this one for the coronavirus. I made this, and because we wear masks over our ears, and if you wear it very long, you get irritated on your ears and the back sides of your ears. What I have made, I made this one. You can do it also. I want to pull it over this. After pulling back, and you have the mask on, and your ears are free, no hurting. It will hold back. Okay, it is done. This is the final product. This is one, and I made a 3 difference. This is 2, and this is the last one. They're called Earsavers or Earbuddies. We can call it. It's your choice. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs, thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye!